Hi, today I'm going to make this very cute little bunny basket. Very easy to make. Materials required are, this is a slightly thick paper, card making paper, and these are felt sheets in black, pink, white, and this is a cardboard sheet or any sheet you can use from the carton, and this is a hemp cord or jute cord. Now I am going to draw a circle of 10 centimeters, so I'll just take the radius of 5 centimeters. Let's draw a circle. So this will be the base of the basket. And now I'll just cut it out. Now from this sheet I'm going to mark out 2 circles with the same dimensions. And I'll mark out one more. Like this, and cut them out. So now I'll just apply glue on the cardboard. And stick this circle on it, one circle. Now from the rest of the paper, on the longer side, just measure out how high you want the basket to be. So I am going to take about 9 centimeters. Like so, and then I'm going to measure out about 1.5 centimeters more from this line. So now just cut it out on the second line. Now on this line I'm just going to score it very lightly so that it becomes easier to fold. Like so, and then on the side just cut out triangles. So I'm going to cut them out the whole length. Now just apply glue on these. Like this, and take the circle with the cardboard stuck on it and just stick them. So because they'll fold, you can easily stick them like this. So just keep going round. So this way I will put them all. So when you reach towards the end, the last bit, just apply some more glue, make it strong, and on the side. Just stick it like so. So I'll just let it dry. Now I'll just apply some more glue on the base. And stick the second circle on it. And just put some weight so that it sticks. Now on the remaining paper, on the wider side again, I'm going to measure out 3 centimeters on it. Just join them. And cut it out. So I have drawn a line in the center also. So this is, both the sides are 1.5 centimeters wide. So now I'll just score it again. And then fold it. Now I'll just stick it. Just apply some glue. And then just, while it's sticking, just give it a curve. Now I'm just going to measure it on the basket. Put the handles to the base of the basket and just mark it out. The other side also. And then just apply glue till that point. Put it on the basket and let it stick. If you have a glue gun at this point, that will be very helpful. But I don't, so I'm just going to hold it till it dries. Now I'm going to wind this cord around the handle of the basket and the base on the sides. So first I'll start with the handle. So just apply some glue like this. take the cord. First just put a bit extra like this. Now just keep going round. Like this. So this will take a little while. Just wind it like this all around. So this is how the handle would look, and I've let the extra hem cord hang down on the side. Now I'm going to take the rest and start with one line inside the basket, and then on top and on the side. So first I'll just apply glue just on the inside rim. Like this. You take the cord and just start from one point and stick it just below the surface, the rim of the basket. So I'll just stick the whole thing like this. So this is how it looks. So this is just inside the rim of the paper. Now just apply glue on top, so on the paper as well as the cord. So this will also protect the edge of the paper. Now I'll just stick on top. Like so. And now I'll cover the entire basket with this cord. So this is how the basket would look. Nice and sturdy. So I've cut out pieces of the bunny rabbit from the felt. So this is all from white. This is all just one piece. So I measured the basket and then I made it accordingly so that I can stick it like this on it. And these are the different parts. These are the eyes, nose, the feet and the ears. So I'll just stick these one by one on this. So I'll start with the ears. I applied glue on it. So I'll just stick this portion in the center of the ear. Use some strong glue or a glue gun for this. And similarly the other ear. And then take the eye. I'll stick both of them at the same time, so that first just place them so that you know where you're sticking them. And similarly, after sticking all of them, I'll just make the whiskers. So take the pink pen, I didn't mention it earlier, sorry, and then just very lightly draw the whiskers, and then with the black pen just draw the mouth. Like so. So now I'll just stick all these pieces. So these are the arms. I'll stick these on the basket. So first just take the body. Basically this body is just like this. Just stick it like so, making sure that the rabbit is showing like so. You have to hold the basket since it's paper. Just press it sorry, just press it down so that it sticks. Then I'll just stick the arms. So these will come on the side of the body like this, holding the basket. So I'll just stick both of them. So this is how it will look. Now I'll stick these feet. So these will come in the front. So just apply some glue. They will come like this in the front, and I'll stick the other one like so. And as a final touch, I'm just going to put a ribbon bow here. In front. And this is how the basket would look. So after sticking these parts, the body and the arms, just put some glue on the bottom. And I've made this small ball of cotton wool, so I'll just stick this. Like this. And then I've got this blue ribbon. So you can use a satin ribbon if you so wish. Just apply some glue and stick it at the back of the rabbit like so.